Hi, this is Afreen Rahman, and I'm the product management mentor and speaker at Insaid. And in today's episode, I'm going to be talking about that if I am a candidate who's looking to upskill in product management, what is the right kind of program, or exactly how do I choose the right kind of PM program? Well, to answer this question, which I'm sure you have in your mind, we have none other than Manav with us, who is our CEO and founder. Hi, Manav, how are you doing?
Hi, Afreen. I'm doing great, and thanks for having me on the show.
Awesome, great to have you here as well. And like I said, the video is direct, the question is direct. Manav, you let us know, what should a learner look for to find and target the right kind of product management program for themselves?
This is a fabulous question, Afreen, that you asked. And considering that there are quite a few product management programs out there, and a learner, for example, prospective learner like the one watching this video, they would not be able to differentiate between what is a great product management program, what is a good, and what is the average product management program, right? And there are most of the programs fall in the average category. Some fall in good, and there are just a very few product management programs which are exceptional. So this is the checklist that somebody should be looking at when it comes to selecting a great product management program. A great product management needs to have 5 elements, Afreen. And when we were designing our product management program, we looked at these 5 elements, and we wanted to ensure that we are really doing great work on all of this. The first and foremost, Afreen, is the structure of the curriculum. When you look at a particular curriculum, do you clearly understand that what is the flow of the curriculum like? If you pick up, for example, if I'm a learner and I'm looking at the curriculum, Afreen, what is appalling is that as a learner, if you pick up the curriculum of a lot of product management program, a lot of them would not even make any sense. Right? Like topics are jumbled up, they are hodgepodge. Now you're doing this and then you're doing this. What is the connection? There is no understanding. So what is the structure of the curriculum matters the most, because that will define your improvement in skill set, right? What will you be learning? That's the first thing. So do you connect with the curriculum? Go through the brochure, go through what they are covering, and exactly, even as a layman, whether you are able to connect with that, you are able to understand that, and that you feel excited about going through that journey, number one. So great curriculum, structured curriculum is the first thing. The second is, Afreen, which is highly underrated, is the philosophy of the program. Does the program have a philosophy? When we were designing a product management program, the philosophy that we try to incorporate in the program is that we want to build, the learners who are undergoing the programs to build great product mindset, number one. We want them to build great skill set, let's say UI, UX, engineering, etc. And we want to make them learn the tools. So only when you are working on all these 3 things, mindset, skill set, and tools, then you are totally prepared for roles in product management. Where a lot of programs which are even good, I'm not even say average, is that average programs will have only focus on one of these 3 things. They will tell you, let's say, we are covering so many tools, cross that off, right? Only tools don't matter. Good programs will have 2 of these things. They will say that we are teaching you so many skill set and so many tools. But what about product mindset? Mindset is what is really important. A great program will tick off all these 3 things: mindset, skill set, and tools, right? That's the second part. The third part, Afreen, which is really important, and which to a layman is very difficult to differentiate until you undergo that experiences, that who is teaching the program, right?
Yeah, matters.
Are just trainers teaching you the program? Are university, now you would see a lot of programs out there which are partnered with, let's say, XYZ premier institutions, etc. But who are teaching the program, right? They will never tell you, because they are most likely professors. They don't even you're not aware about real world problem statements. Or trainers are teaching in the program. So you need to ask for, as a learner, while choosing a great product management program will tell you that these are the people teaching you in the product management program. For example, as you would know, and just for a learner's sake who's watching this video, in our product management program we have product managers, senior product managers, VP product management of companies like Amazon, PayPal, Google, Adobe, Walmart, etc., actually teaching in the program. So that ensures that the learning that you have is cutting edge. It's not outdated learning, but cutting edge, right? That's the third thing. Fourth part, Afin, is the most decisive, which is whether the program is hybrid, recorded, or live instructor led. A lot of the edtech companies are not very transparent when it comes to telling you that. They will tell you that we are doing, let's say, 3 to 5 months of program or 7 months of program. Only when you enroll in the program, you get to see that the program is fully recorded and there are just doubt clearing sessions happening there.
Yes.
Yeah. So as a learner, you need to be asking this question, that is the program live interactive, right?
That's one question that majority of the learners miss asking because they believe it must be live, right?
And after they have enrolled, they've paid the fees,
and then you get to know
drops that,
it was all recorded,
and you are just doing doubt clearing sessions, etc. And the problem is not just of the recording, Afreen. What a lot of learners don't understand is that these recordings were recorded in the, let's say, year 2020. And they're still being used by that program to market themselves in 2023. Because they're not going to re-record the recordings every 6 months.
Exactly.
Right? Whereas in live programs like us, right, or any live program like where the batches are happening very frequently, like we have batches running every 2 months, every month. So the content is being revised. I'm not saying that that we are revising the content totally, but it's improving. With every batch, we are making changes, right? And that's very, very important, which is the fourth point. And the last point is the practical application. Afreen, product management by nature can be a theoretical topic, right? And it can get a little like theory based. What people get surprised is when they're learning the theory, they're not able to apply it in real world. When they're learning concepts like Moscow or rice and these kind of concepts, which are very popular jargon in real world, and they are not able to now, they know the theory, framework, whatever, but they are not able to understand that how to apply in this real world case studies. Practical application is very, very important, and only a great product management program will give you that practical application. Average will definitely write these frameworks, Moscow, rice, and all of these things, or whatever I'm mentioning. But they will, where an average program will do is they will just write this. They will not get you in the case study. Good program will just rise this and give you some examples. Great product management will tell you, now here is the concept. Let's say Manav has taught you. Now you apply this in a app, let's say Paytm app or Dream11 app or when you're one of your apps that you're actually getting to learn this. So these are like the 5 frame check marks that you will need to very consciously understand before enrolling in a product management program that is right for you.
Awesome. I think these are great pointers and very, very essential elements that a lot of time learners actually miss considering. So thank you, Manu, for highlighting these. In fact, I feel very enlightened after listening to these points. So thank you for giving us this quick insight. Well, for all the learners who've been listening to this video, if you have any more pointers, any more questions, please feel free to write it in the chat, in the comment section. We'll definitely take care of that. We'll come with more videos ahead. And hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, so that every time there's a new video ahead, you are the first one to get.
Afreen, one point you missed mentioning is the career assistance part. So before you close the video, if you can mention the career assistance part and the importance of that will be also very important.
Yes, I believe every program that one wants to invest in, they want to actually ask the questions of career assistance. And not only that, when you were talking about this practical application, the thing that hit me was the projects and life case studies that one has to mention. So I think these are two very important factors that once I'm wrapping up my program, not only am I well versed with live projects, I am also getting career assistance, included in the program with me. So yes, Manav, just quick word on that.
Yeah. No, I think, Afreen, you have already covered career assistance is very important, and especially for professionals, a lot of time they might not know how to package. Career assistance today is just about packaging. What
Yes.
does my resume look like? Is it customized for a product management role? There are so many product management roles also available in the market. Am I preparing myself for applying for the right product management role so that my rejection rates are lower and my acceptance rates are higher? So good program will give you a career coach and will have career assistance session to actually catapult you into your dream job. So that's something that is again a important consideration for finding.
Prerequisite needs to be there in the program.
Absolutely.
Yeah, awesome. Thank you so much, Manav, for adding this addition bonus point in me towards the end. I'm sure the listeners and the learners would love it. Thank you so much for being part of this episode, Manav, and taking out your time. And thank you all for watching. And
Take care. Bye bye.
take care. Bye bye.